Good morning. God bless you. Amaryllis Man again, reporting for duty. Today I wanted to talk about your amaryllis seed and how to plant them safely. Amaryllis seed are actually very fragile. The casing of the seed is about 1/4 of an inch in diameter across the face of the seed, but the seed is actually just a tiny little blimp. As small as maybe even smaller than a pepper seed. So in planting them, the casing is given to rot and fungus. So you want to prepare your soil to prevent fungus from destroying the seed before it has an opportunity to sprout. And the way I recommend is by using hydrogen peroxide mixture to treat the soil. This is 3% hydrogen peroxide. You don't want to use 6% or stronger. And the formula I use is 50% peroxide with 50% water. And then I'm going to douse the soil thoroughly to treat the soil, to clean it up of fungus and other critters that will attack the seed. Okay, I've got a good thorough hydrogen peroxide treatment for this soil. And we'll let that dry out for a couple of days, and then it'll be ready to receive the seed. And with this treatment, it'll help you to enjoy sprouted seed that are as healthy as these. So maybe that's a tip that you can benefit from. I want to encourage you to go to our Amaryllis Man store, amaryllisman.com, and you'll find over 60 varieties of fall bulbs that you can order now. Well, God bless you. Talk to you a little later. Bye-bye.